Hey everyone, in this video let's find out how you can remove vocals in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found on the left hand side in the create section. You got your menu here, so we're going to select that. That's going to take us to our create section. Here we have a workspace open. We've got different options here as far as songs go. We want to find out how to remove the vocals. So these different songs, we've got vocals on them. What we want to do is we want to come over to our three buttons here, and we want to come where it says get stems. So we're going to hit get stems, and when we do, you can see here that we can extract stems, and we have two options. We can extract all detected stems, which with that, you can get up to 12 separated instruments, vocals, and MIDI tracks. That costs more, 50 credits, or you can do the cheaper version for 10 credits. It will just separate the vocals and the instrumental. So that might be all you need, is just to separate the vocals from the instrumental. If it is, then all you have to do is click on extract. And then you're going to see here that it's going to be detecting stems, and it's going to take a moment. Once it's done, then you will see here that you've got your vocals and you've got your instrumental. And then here you're going to see this option that says download all. So when you click on that, you are going to download both the instrumental and the vocal file separately. If all you're looking for is the vocals, then what you can do is here on the right hand side, it's hard to see right now because this is not finished yet. Hopefully that finishes here soon, but you can see that we've got two buttons here with the download button on it. So if all you need is the individual file, if it's whether the vocals or the instrumental, then you can also just click on either of these buttons here, or you can click on download all, and that is how you can extract your vocals. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra, and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.